what? Today we make magic. Today big moving picture put in tiny square thing called floppy disk. Caberman learn how to make big picture. Caberman learn how to make big picture go in small disk. Watch now, see magic happen. Oh man. Hey guys, today we are gonna try to put a video on a floppy disk. Yeah, for no reason. Yeah, as you can see, I'm very good at the game. So I'm gonna try to compress this video to make this. This. And that's gonna be interesting to see, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to see anything after I compress the video to this size. So anyway, let's do it. I'm gonna use the most basic fucking thing in the world. Okay, so here's the video. I want audio as well, so I'm gonna you know, do this, and that should be probably good enough. At this point you can barely see what's going on. Like, this is the normal size of the video, and I cannot do much zoom on it. Maybe if I okay, that's so anyway, I'm gonna try to render this. Yeah, 480. I could turn the video into a GIF. That's something I'm gonna try later. I'm gonna put 10 FPS, bitrate. Yeah, that's a lot of shit I can do here. Audio, it's gonna be super low. Okay, let's see how this turns out. Oh fuck me. Okay, whatever. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the it's not even trying. What? Why? There's always a problem. Quality, yeah, sure. Render. It's not fucking. Okay, let's go with Camtasia 9. You put this crap in here. You change the project settings, and it's gonna be custom. It's gonna be 25. Oh no, oh fuck. That's too low. 50. I think that's the problem. 52. Now I'm scared because the video is very visible. Like you can see what's going on. Okay, let's try again. Ah, that was the problem. Thank you, Camtasia 9. That's the only useful thing you have. Okay, and this is the video, and fuck me. Okay, we got close. We got really close, but that's not good enough, and I don't think I can change this because I'm pretty sure the minimum width is 52, but I'm gonna try anyway. 42, yeah, 42. Okay, it's doing it anyway. Okay, let me change more shit. 35. No. I cannot even see the controls. Okay. Perfect. I could use some more kilobytes to make the video a little bit better, but this is pretty much the whole floppy disk already. This video is already using more the capacity of the floppy disk that has to offer.
A dispenser here.
Okay, now we put this shit in a floppy. Oh fuck! What the fuck am I doing? Let's put this shit in a floppy disk and yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh look, another. Oh, okay. As you can see, everything is so well installed that even the fan doesn't match the screws and has a lot of shit. I don't really remember how to record this fucking screen. The video is on this USB right now, and we are gonna put it into fucking oh shit. You know, that's very simple. You put that shit in there, and then you put this shit in here. Okay, let's see how well it is. I have volume. I forgot QuickTime sucks. Yeah, that's... Oh, wait. I think I need... wait a second. Of course, I want to kill myself. Okay, now it has no brightness, as you can see. So I hope it works better. Now, in real life, it looks like shit, but in the video doesn't look too bad, so I'm gonna go with it. Why it's not doing it right? Dude, what the fuck is happening? What's going on? Legit gonna play by the way, guys. Okay. And now we should be able to I don't even know what I'm doing here. Okay, that's very that's very clever, but not everything is so clever. What was that? What is that? I feel like this is not good enough because the video is barely visible at all. So I'm gonna try getting a bit better video that's more clear to see and that is played off a floppy disk. Oof, 2 kilobytes of remaining space. Okay, so I made another video, but this video is a bit too long, and what I'm gonna do is, since I have to compress the video in Camtasia, I'm gonna edit the video as well, so you know, it's funnier to see. Okay, so the video is finished, and I'm gonna try to make this more visible. How about 200? I'm afraid that's too much, but it could work. Let's make the video 10 FPS. How about this? And the audio is gonna be very low. 20. Moment of truth. Oh wow. What? Okay, I can make this. Okay, I can make this video better. That's a huge surprise. I wasn't expecting that. Never mind. Now I see why. 45. Okay. Oof, that's too much. But that's very normal looking. You can see everything. I just need to make this a little bit smaller. I was very close, but not quite. Oof, I can make it a little better. 37. Let's see. Okay, let's see. That's perfect. Alright, let's put this crap in the floppy. Okay, so here we are once more, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna erase the fucking Windows. I'm gonna erase this, and I'm gonna replace it with the newer one. Okay, here goes nothing. it's not Christmas